Second mistake is thinking that I could manage a subscription base in Stripe. I had art storefronts, and the only possibility of managing subscriptions was to go on over to Stripe, who handled our money, and do it from there, which I did set up, but I found it to be very user friendly. And just thinking about managing it here in the future and making changes and modifications, it just really was daunting. So from that experience and a few other reasons, I decided to move my entire website over back to Shopify, because they did have a subscription app that you can easily upload into the site and manage it all for you, which has been amazing, and I'm so glad that I made that decision. Moving forward, this did slow me down my first couple of months, which is why I wasn't really that intent on starting fast and just letting it grow organically.